as you can see, virtually all the cars go through the walk lane and make their way into traffic. Now here's a guy who's kind of making a questionable turn. He didn't want to make a full left turn, so he went into the lane of traffic. Now here's one who actually is doing quite the illegal turn that we've said time and again creates problems. Yep, here's another one. Since I've been here, about 6 of these illegal turns in about 4 or 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, here's another one. Quite a few actually. It's a real shame we don't have a cop here. Yep, here's another one. Now this is kind of dangerous because this guy is making a left turn here about the time that this guy wants to make a left turn out of there. Yeah, really dangerous. Well, it's just after 8 and the traffic is beginning to subside. The cars have just about stopped coming out of the circulator, which means all the kids have been dropped off and the morning rush is just about over.